What is GlobalReader? We provide smart online manufacturing tools for small and medium-sized enterprises. Using real-time data and team collaboration tools, you can reduce downtime 30% in the first 3 months and save time and money. Smart Factory Management. We will help you solve your daily, time-consuming, routine activities. Your team in manufacturing can benefit from our machine monitoring. The power of real-time data is brought to planning and maintenance. Smart Factory. Move your performance and shop floor data between different systems. ERP integrations are most common. Microsoft AX, Microsoft Nav, Monitor, Directo, Eziil, SAP. All of these can be supported. Anything else? Just ask. Smart Factory benefits means digitalized data flow, which means paperless factory. This can be a true paperless factory. GlobalReader, a real-time factory tracker.